Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Looking for a powerful solution to convert JPG images into PNG file format? If yes, download the Images Converter software designed with special forensic features. It allows user to convert images more easily. Click on Open button, and you can see multiple options are available to select an image file. Click on JPG Images option, and you can see Choose File and Choose Folder option are available. Choose as per requirement. We are selecting Choose Folder option, to upload a complete images folder from the system and tap on Select Folder button. Now, check the required images folder in the software panel. As you see now, all the images from the folder are listed one by one in the software interface. Now, click the image to view in the defined preview window. Users can preview the complete content of the image with all the details. The software provides export option to convert images into different formats. Choose your required saving option for image conversion. We are selecting PNG option. Then, mark the required folder for conversion and unmark the rest folder. Go to Browse option and pick a location to save converted files. The first is delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Open folder after export is done. Automatically open the final result after conversion is done. Finally, go to the Save button and see the live process of image conversion. You can also see the image count, saved in the PNG files. Once the task gets completed, you get a successful message. Click on the OK button. Go to Open folder. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get images converted into PNG format. Tool convert only 2 images in trial version and add watermark on converted files. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.